Hey besties, ever wanted that soft Korean peachy makeup look but you only have Indian products? Don't worry, I got you. Today I'm going to create a Korean peachy makeup look with only Indian products. This makeup is going to be super cute, fresh and super easy to recreate. So without any further delay, let's get started. So we will start with skin prep, and it is very important to prep your skin before your makeup because Koreans have a great skin and they focus mainly on skincare. So we will also focus on skincare before doing Korean makeup. After washing my face, I directly started with rose water. You can start with any of your favorite toner. And on damp skin, we will apply moisturizer and apply a decent amount of moisturizer because skin hydration is must in this makeup. And then going forward with my favorite SPF, I'm applying SPF 50 here. You can use any of your SPF, but make sure to use SPF 30 or higher. So here I'm sharing a decent hack for you guys. So Koreans have that plump skin, that dewy skin, but we don't have. So we will apply setting spray before our makeup. A lot of setting spray, I mean a lot. Baby girl, you be thinking that this is a useless hack, but trust me, try this once and you will thank me for this amazing hack. So besties, our skin prep is done. Now we'll start the makeup. So starting off with this concealer, I will just apply a thin layer of this concealer under my eyes and blend that in. And in this makeup look, I have used 3 layers of makeup. I mean 2 concealers and 1 foundation. Or maybe you can skip that too. You can just use concealers or you can just use foundation. I just wanted that perfect dewy look that Koreans have. That's why I did that. And blending the concealer pretty well. For that glowing effect, that dewy look, I'm using this Swiss Beauty High Performance Foundation because this gives a very subtle glow, kind of dewy kind of finish which I'm looking for right now. And it is a very lightweight foundation, so the base makeup will not become heavy because of this. And after that, I'm just going to set my face with this Faces Canada's compact powder. Just using a little amount of powder because I just want to set the base makeup. And here comes the star of the show, which is eye makeup. So first I'm going to use this shade as a transition shade, and then I'm going to go with this shade. Applying the transition shade all over my eyelids and blending that pretty well. And going forward with the peach shade we selected and blend that pretty well. Then you will need a flat brush, something like that. And just let me show you one thing, that take some brown eyeshadow and just do what I am doing. I don't know what this step is called, but Korean makeups usually have this step. And then going forward with the same peach shade we applied and blending it pretty well. Then I applied this Swiss Beauty's Craze eyeliner and then going forward with the highlighter. So it is Inside Cosmetics cream highlighter and applying it on inner corner of my eyes. This step literally changes the game. It just look at the steps I'm showing you clearly and do the same. So Koreans usually have fake lashes, but I don't have, so I will create a mascara combo here to create that fake lashes look. Using Swiss Beauty's mascara for the first layer and then going forward with the Maybelline Colossal mascara. And don't forget your lower lashes. It is your sign to create this makeup because I have used all the affordable makeup here, and trust me, you can easily recreate this. And we are done with eye makeup. And now we will apply blush. And blush के लिए we will apply it like here, round में, not like this, just here, like round. And you have to blend the blush in circular form like this. Done with applying blush, now we will do eyebrows. I'm using a mix of brown and grey shade and then going forward with my eyebrows. And now we will contour our nose to make it look flat. Follow these steps to contour your nose, and here I'm using powder contour. You can use cream contour or liquid contour, whatever you are comfortable in. And then blending it with a powder brush. Using cream highlighter again to highlight my face, and I'm just highlighting the main points of my face to enhance the makeup. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please go and subscribe because my content will help you a lot in makeup and skincare. So make sure to subscribe and see the final look. And I did create this peachy lip combo. I have shared it in my short. I will link it down below in the description. And this is the final look, guys. I mean, just look at the makeup, how beautiful it looks, and on Indian skin. You can surely try this makeup. It is so worth the time and efforts. I love this makeup.